In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fade in and fade out animations in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal or create engaging interactions, integrating subtle animations can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the process of adding these animations seamlessly into your Wix-based project. First, we'll start by opening the Wix Studio editor. To do this, head over to www.wix.com/studio in your preferred browser. Once there, log into your account if needed and open your specific website project within the Studio editor. This platform provides a robust set of tools that allow you to customize every aspect of your site, including animations. Next, it's time to select the element you want to animate. This could be any component of your web page, such as text, images, buttons, or entire sections. Click on the element you wish to bring to life with the fade effect. Ensure you've pinpointed exactly where you want these animations to occur for maximum impact. With your element selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the editor where you'll see the animations icon. Click this icon to open the animation panel. Here, you have the choice between two primary animation categories: scroll animations and entrance animations. Select the type that aligns best with the effect you're aiming to achieve on your site. Now let's choose the fade effect itself. Within the array of animation types available, select either the fade in or fade out option. After you've done that, take a moment to adjust the animation settings to tailor the effect to your needs. You'll find several customizable options, including duration, specifying how long the fade effect lasts. Delay is another adjustment, determining when your animation begins after triggering. For more complex animations like fade plus move effects, you can tweak the direction setting. Finally, decide the trigger for your animation, choosing between event-based triggers such as scrolling or loading the page. Once you're satisfied with the settings, it's crucial to preview your animation. Navigate to the top right of the editor and click the Preview button. This allows you to see your work in action and provides a real-time look at how visitors will experience these animations. As you preview, try scrolling or reloading the page to ensure everything appears as expected and that the animation integrates smoothly with your overall design. And there you have it. You've successfully added fade-in and fade-out animations to your Wix site, enhancing its aesthetics and user engagement. Remember, subtlety is key to ensuring these effects enhance rather than distract from your content, so always revisit your animations for the right balance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create an even more engaging online presence with Wix Studio.